The automation team at Flexware is responsible for factory automation, typically machines that build parts or products or make some product that is then typically sold on the market.
We're responsible for developing the software that controls the equipment on the line, as well as the operator interface on how they control the line and what they do if there's alarms or they want to change a process midstream.
Process development or skid development, where a customer will bring to us a user requirement specification and they will say, we want a machine that does this, and it has a specific input or output for their process.
We will look at those, understand the process from the customer, and from it we will develop a functional spec on how we believe we're going to control the process. EETs, double E's, and computer science will work too.
Certainly automation experience, a fundamental understanding of electricity and circuits and things like that. How to turn a light bulb on and off is really the basic method of what we do.
A great engineer is one who understands the process and can interface with the customer well.
We really need a guy that can just step in and figure out all the aspects of the project that they need to work on and need to get accomplished so that we can get the project deliverable achieved.
And one that definitely works well with his peers, as there's a lot of collaboration within our work environment here at Flexware. I like to hunt and fish, and we have a few guys that do that, so we do a couple times a year get a group together or we'll go hunting together.
We have a lot of guys that like to put together CNC machines, kind of the home do-it-yourself type guy.